Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this video you shall be looking at how to fix this account is not allowed to use WhatsApp problem. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily fix this, so I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method of teaching you guys today is very simple, so you need not root to device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your Play Store. Now once you open your Play Store, all you need to do is to update your WhatsApp to the latest version. So just search for your WhatsApp over here and then make sure you're using the latest version of your WhatsApp application. So just search for your WhatsApp, and if there is an update, just click on your WhatsApp and then update your WhatsApp to the latest version. Now once you have updated your WhatsApp, you can see developer contact. Just click on this button and it's gonna take you to this place and you can see website. So you can see the website of WhatsApp. Just click on the website option over here, and once you click on the website, it's gonna take you to the official whatsapp.com. so you can see over here whatsapp.com. so just wait for it to load over here, and once it has loaded, you can see the three lines at the upper left corner. Just click on that. Now once you click on this button, all you need to do is to just click on Help Center. You can see Help Center. Just click on Help Center, and once you click on Help Center, you can see so many options over here. Just scroll down to where you can see Contact Us. So you can see Contact Us. Just click on Contact Us. Now once you click on Contact Us, you can see the kind of WhatsApp you use. Just click on Contact Us over here, and you can see so many options over here. Now the first option, you have to fill all this, so just fill it, and then the first option says your contact, so just select your country and then your contact. So just select your contact. So let me enter my contact over here. Now once you have entered your contact, just click select any email address. But before that, let me paste this over here. So just select your email, because they will contact you through this email. So just select the email and then confirm it. So just click on copy. Okay, now once you have entered your email, you have to confirm it and select the device you are using your WhatsApp on, and you can see over here I have entered this. So you can see, please enter your message below, and you can see, hi team, I have received the following. This account is not allowed to use WhatsApp due to spam. Please help me to fix this problem. Once you are done, just click on next, and once you click on next, boom, it is done. Now all you need to do is to just click on send question. Just click on send, and after some hours your problem will be fixed and your number will be unbanned. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button, so that anytime I upload a new video